A lot of people have been asking what's going on with the Airbnb. Because of pandemic, it ended up getting delisted because so many people were booking and having to cancel. But now, since they reopened Jamaica June 15th, you can have guests again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And you had some wise words about this situation too.
Yeah. After storm, it must be a calm. Yeah, man. After a storm, it's like before Vietnam, it's a storm. After a storm, it must be a calm.
Storms calm down a bit.
Yeah.
A little bit, kind of.
Yeah, a storm did come, but it seems like it come calm again.
So basically, Airbnb's back up. I'll put the link below. The rules in Jamaica right now, this can change too, so please check. I believe it's traveljamaica.com. But if you come to Jamaica and you're not staying in the tourist corridor up north, you need to do a 2-week kind of quarantine somewhere, and after that you can visit the yard any amount of time. So you can come visit Mokko, you can stay at RASTA Kitchen as long as you want, but you got to get the 2 weeks done first. So that's the current rules. So hopefully you can do a long trip and come hang out here. And
Yeah, you can go and here by the river and also. Yeah, you can go and here too, just like you.
yeah, I had a good 2 weeks here,
Yeah.
hanging out. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So you have to check your restrictions from your country because some places require testing, some don't. I had to put an app on my phone that kind of tracks me and do these video check-ins, which was kind of weird, Babylon stuff, but I'd rather do that than not come at all. Better than staying at home. So anyway, yeah, I hope you can come visit.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Check those links below, and yeah, just keep up with the Travel Jamaica thing, and yeah, come visit Mokko.
Yeah, man. We keep back the line on track. Yeah, man.